All right, it was some pretty treacherous climbing. So apparently these rocks ring. Here's the view. You'll be just fine. Okay, Mr. Levi, what state are we in?
Montana.
Montana. Pin it up. All right, it was some pretty treacherous climbing up this trail in the Jeep. Couldn't take any RV, and then this last section is even more rocky, so we're hiking the last bit. But we're headed to what they say are some magical rocks. But already the view, it's like kind of like a little hidden treasure. Check out this view. Beautiful peaks over there, peaks over there. And we're getting our first view of these magic rocks. So apparently these rocks ring if you hit them a certain way. So we're gonna find out, but here they are.
This is real. Let's see.
Hammers hanging here. For thousands of years, these boulders were formed. Rare geological experience makes the person struck lightly with a hammer, Levi. Different sizes make different tones.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, how about this one here?
Oh.
We got to make a song. Mom, hear this.
What about this one, Dad?
Let's
hear
hear
this one.
Ooh, oh, this. Sick beat, Landon.
Let's see this one, Dad.
Good. Okay, so making my way to the top of Ringing Rocks. These things are pretty awesome, really easy to climb, and see if I can get you guys the view from the top. Okay, here we are. There's where we came from. Here's the view. Thoughts on the Ringing Rocks?
I think they're cool. Cooler to climb than wasn't it?
Yeah, I agree.
You guys like them?
Yeah. Yeah. It was cool.
And the view is pretty good too. Like it's kind of like a off the path like reward. Nice little pit stop. How about you, Levy? Yes, no, maybe so.
Yes.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and follow the page. You can also hit those 3 buttons there and click follow, then see first so you never miss one of our videos.